Africa, Peninsular India, and Antarctica. And reptiles like Cynognathus and Mesosaurus have been found in South America and Africa. At present these continents were separated by thousands of kilometers vast ocean. On the basis of and these fossils cannot swim across such vast ocean in the past. It means these continents were earlier together, thereafter they have been drifted. साइंटिफिक स्टडी तो नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी टू सम एक्सटेंट एंड हायर एक्सटेंट सम, उतनी बड़ी साइंटिफिक स्टडी नहीं जितनी कि प्लेट टेक्टोनिक इज एन साइंटिफिक स्टडी. ओके, ये प्लेट अंदर जा रहा है, यहाँ पे फोकस, दिस इज द फोकस ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक, दिस इज द फोकस, द प्लेट इज सबडक्टिंग. ओके, द ओशियन इज इन अ मोर डेंसर मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट आई सेड दैट फेरस एंड मैग्नीशियम. ये ज्यादा साइंटिफिक स्टडी इन द प्लेट टेक्टोनिक, लेकिन एंड यहाँ पे ज्यादा साइंटिफिक नहीं है, लेकिन इस अकेले बंदे ने इतना काम किया है, बहुत बड़ा अप्रोच है, सैल्यूट होना चाहिए. सो आई सेड दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ इट. सो नेक्स्ट पैलियोंटोलॉजिकल एविडेंस इसके लिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज द पैलियोक्लाइमेटिक एविडेंस. पैलियोक्लाइमेटिक evidence. In the paleoclimatic evidence, we have to see, one, it is in a glaciation, and another we have to see coal deposits. 2, glaciation, and we have to see coal deposits. paleoclimatic evidence, and that we are showing you what is a glaciation. And you can, I have said you like that this portion Durban was at the south pole. The portion Durban was at the south portion. Where is the Glossopteris? First one, it is, I said that South America, Africa, Peninsular India, Australia, Antarctica. याद है ना? ये भी सेम वही है. South America, Africa, Peninsular India, Australia, and Antarctica. Understood? So where is the glaciation in the past? Where is the glaciation in the past? I said that it is in the South America. It is, I said that Africa, Peninsular India, Australia. Except Antarctica, most of these regions is at present in the tropical and subtropical region. Except Antarctica, most of the region, yes tell me, most of the region is in, yes tell me, near tropical and subtropical, and according to the present situation, it is not possible. Yes or not? These regions have done a glaciation. और glaciation के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? It should be near to the pole. मुझे कैसे पता चला they have what? Glaciation. How we can say that they have a glaciation? Yes, tell me. I said that it can be possible through glacial till deposits, erratics, striation mark, and I said that smooth polishing of bedrock. These four factors determine glaciation in a given geographical region in the geological past. Which are the four factors determined? And it is given that they have in a what? These are the four evidences which prove that in geological past there is an a what? Glaciation. Suppose I said that ये rock है and this rock is basaltic. Suppose. But इस rock के ऊपर में इस building जैसा, ये building जैसा another rock है. इतनी ऊंचाई है building और ये है granitic. And I say that it is erratics. इस rock को मैं क्या बोलूँगा? Erratic boulders. In peninsular India, several such erratics has been found. और इससे हम लोगों को लगा कि yes, they have an what? Glaciation. क्योंकि यदि ये बेसाल्टिक है, तो यहाँ पे ग्रेनाइटिक कहाँ से आ गया? एक रॉक, मतलब उससे ओरिजिनेट है नहीं, अलग पीसी है. तो ये मैं यदि कहूंगा, दिस बिल्डिंग जैसा बड़ा रॉक को रिवर कई किलोमीटर ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं कर सकता. हंड्रेड्स ऑफ किलोमीटर कैन ट्रांसपोर्ट? नो. विंड? नो. कॉन्टिनेंट में थर्ड इरोजनल फोर्स कौन सा है? ग्लेशियर. यस और नॉट? और ग्लेशियर की हाइट 1/2 किलोमीटर हो जाती है. ये तो मैं केवल 15 मीटर हाइट की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. 20 मीटर हाइट सच रॉक. और ग्लेशियर इज एन रिवर ऑफ आइस. व्हेन इट विल मूव इजिली, तो कभी भी एनी टाइम इन द वर्ल्ड, एनी टाइम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में आप देखें ये रॉक पीस इज देयर विच इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग रॉक, इट मीन्स मस्ट बी इट हैज बीन ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय समवन एल्स. यस और नॉट? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि भगवान लाए यहां रख दिए. ऐसा हो सकता है? पता नहीं. इंडिया में कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो आई सेड दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इरेटिक? इरेटिक समझ में आ गया? इरेटिक्स मीन्स a big boulder of rock which is different from surrounding rock, and it has been dumped by glacier. It has been dumped by, this is the meaning of erratics. and such erratics has been found in peninsular India. इसका मतलब peninsular India has what? Glaciation in the past. Clear? अभी मैंने क्या बोला? What is the height around? 0.5 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, the height of glaciers. Clear? Or if such glacier is moving, they will put a scratch mark on the surface, and that is a what? Striation mark. River that kind of mark cannot give. वो पूरा groups बना देगा, line, channel, and that cannot be done by the river. That cannot be done by the what is in a wind. So which erosional force left? The glacier can make such. And when the glacier moves, suppose करो a particle thrown by the moving river, the river will break the different kind of rocks, particles. But when the glacier is moving, they will break different kind of rock particles. Yes or not? Size and all, shape will be all, and that is known as the till deposits. That is known as the moraines. Till and moraine both are same. When a till give a kind of shape, it becomes moraine. When till give a kind of, that is moraine. समझ में आ गया? और कभी कभी सपोज करो कि when a glacier is moving and यहाँ पर ऐसे ऐसे कुछ रॉक है, तो ग्लेशियर इसको क्या कर देगा? तोड़ देगा, स्मूथ बना देगा. ये स्मूथ नहीं, पूरा अनडुलेटिंग ऐसा कुछ फीचर होगा, तोड़ के सबको क्या कर देगा? If it is height of what? 1-2 kilometer like this, it will break all this. Even 0.5 kilometer, even 300 meter. 300 meter चाहे कम नहीं होता है. They can break this kind of rock easily. Understood it? So which are the factors, which are the evidences proving that the particular region has an what? Glaciation in the past? Erratics, striation mark, glacial till deposits, and smooth polishing of bedrock has determined that portions of South America, portions of Africa and peninsular India, portions of Australia along with Antarctica, they have what? Glaciation in the geological past. Write down. With the help of evidences like erratics, striation mark, glacial deposits, glacial till deposits, and smooth polishing of bedrock, it has been found that the portions of South America, Africa, peninsular India, Australia and Antarctica has glaciation in the geological past. Except Antarctica, EXCEPT, except Antarctica, other regions are near tropics or subtropics in the present time. And according to the present climatic situation, cannot be possible. It cannot be possible. It means in the geological past, ये सारे रीजन किधर होंगे? Near poles? Yes or not? It means in the geological past, these regions must be near poles. ये कंप्लीट हुआ या नहीं हुआ? Just tell me. अभी नहीं कंप्लीट हुआ. नियर पोल्स का मतलब ये नहीं कि दे आर टुगेदर. यस और नॉट? अब टुगेदर कैसे दिखाना है मुझे वो देखना है. द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ग्लेशियल रीजन is showing that they are completely fitting with each other. Yes or not? यहां से तो मिल गया कि they must be near poles, but the distribution of glacial region is completely fitting with each other like puzzle. Like puzzle. Here they are fitting. Understood it? इसका मतलब they were together. Write down. They are near poles does not mean that they are together. Near poles means the near poles does not mean that they are together, but distribution region of glaciation in different such continents are completely fitting with each other, are completely